Wheel bearings can be some of the most misunderstood components of a car, and the confusion can run the gamut from technicians all the way through to the service department. Much of this confusion stems from the types of bearings that were commonplace all the way up into the 1990s, the tapered roller bearing. Cleaning and repacking these bearings was such a common service that most vehicle owners came to expect it, just like the 3,000-mile oil change and regular tune-up. Today, however, sealed wheel bearings and bearing hub assemblies account for the majority of wheel bearings on vehicles. The most common type used today is the Generation 3 bearing. This is a compact bearing unit with two flanges. One is the wheel hub, and one is a mounting flange to bolt it to the steering knuckle. These also can come with or without ABS sensor rings, and in many cases, the wheel speed sensor is built into the bearing assembly. Now, theoretically, Gen 3 bearings are among the easiest to install, but rust and corrosion can make it very difficult at times. Regardless of the generation of bearing, following the recommended service procedures is critical for maximizing the lifespan of the new bearing and preventing a customer comeback. Hub bearing removal and installation, for example, is a process that requires strict adherence to the service information, particularly the torque specifications. Deviating from the recommended procedures can leave the hub assembly vulnerable to premature failure and create an unsafe situation for the driver and passengers. It also can lead to unnecessary returns at the parts counter. You also might want to remind your DIFM customers that they should replace axle nuts instead of reusing them. Reusing the old nut could potentially cause the nut to loosen during vehicle operation, which is a significant safety hazard. When it comes to recommending replacement bearings or hub assemblies, encourage your DIFM customers to use a premium product. They typically use higher quality materials and heat treating processes that make for harder surfaces, which are better suited to resist impact damage. Durability is a significant advantage. High-quality wheel bearings and hub assemblies are built to endure more challenging conditions and heavier loads, leading to fewer replacements. This ensures their customers' vehicles remain problem-free for longer, enhancing the shop's reputation for quality service. Performance is another critical factor. Premium bearings guarantee smoother rides and better handling thanks to their precision manufacturing. For repair shops, this means satisfied customers who appreciate the noticeable improvement in their vehicle's performance. Safety, however, is the most crucial aspect. High-quality bearings reduce the risk of failure, a critical selling point for repair shops committed to ensuring their customers' safety. Remember, a bearing failure, especially at high speeds, can be disastrous. Using premium wheel bearings also means fewer customer comebacks. Comebacks are not just inconvenient. They can damage a repair shop's reputation and customer trust. By recommending high-quality parts, you're helping your repair shop customers build a reputation for reliable, long-lasting repairs, which is invaluable for their business growth. Thanks for watching.